Okay, eto naman ang gawin natin. Ay, paborito ko to. Napakasimpleng recipe, but every time I go to Las Vegas and visit my family, isa sa mga pinaluluto ko sa nanay ko yung luto sa gisantes na manok. Just very simple. Bawang, sibuyas, yung green peas na nabibili sa Pilipinas, yung senyorita, and milk, konting tubig, patis, at saka paminta. Alright? Ang gagawin natin, like what I did earlier dun sa adobo, i-sear natin to, okay? Itong skillet na ginagamit ko was preheated using low heat for about 10 minutes. Hindi po pwedeng gumamit ng high heat, alright? It destroys the material that was used to build this product. So, I preheated the skillet for 10 minutes or a little longer. Tapos inilagay ko na ang skinless and boneless chicken thighs. Pagkatapos, nilagyan ko na ng sibuyas. As you can see. Alright? Lagyan na rin natin ng maraming bawang. Okay. There you go. Okay. Paminta. Patis. Parang itong skillet na to, pag ginamit mo, parang trabaho ng tamad. Kasi, you just put all the ingredients together and cover it and walk away and do something else. And after you know it, tapos na. Meron ka ng ulam. Kanin na lang, but you have your rice cooker. And I'm sure you're nagsayang na kayo. Alright. I'm gonna be adding the evaporated milk, like what I said. Simpleng-simple. Yan. Okay. And then, mahilig po talaga ako sa gisantes. So, this is what I was talking about. Senorita cooked dry peas. It's 55 cents na nabibili sa Filipino store. Okay? Hindi po siya matamis. I'm sure ginamit nyo na yan. So, yan ang kinagis na natin sa Pilipinas. Many years ago, when I was still in the Philippines. Okay? Idinrain ko lang po. 2 cans are good. Pero, gusto ko abuso sa dami ang green peas. So, ayan. Yan na yun. Okay? Maybe, I'm gonna cover this and maybe once in a while you can watch it and see if cooked already. But I'm gonna put the timer for about 12 to 15 minutes. Cover this. Open it and cover and check out the meat. And if it's cooked, then I'm gonna turn it off. If it's not, I'm just gonna continue cooking it. Alright? First, we have to find the cover. Hindi ko makita yung cover. I'm just gonna use these. Alright. I'll see you later.